Hey guys, welcome to our slime restock. We've got so many cute slimes, so let's get started. This slime is called Fish Tank because it looks like a fish tank. It comes with a really cute fish charm and I just think the slime is so adorable. So it has a light blue clear slime base with fishbowl beads, of course, because it's a fish tank. So this is the 6 ounce of the slime, and if you get the 8 ounce, you get 2 random colored fish charms. Let me know in the comments what you would name your slime fish. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? We swim, swim, swim. Yeah, that's what he's doing right now. Next up, we've got Loot Llama, and of course, this one is inspired by Fortnite. I love Fortnite. It's so much fun. Okay, so this slime is purple and blue, and you get to mix the colors. It's a lot of fun. The confetti sprinkles are in it because when you open up the Loot Llama in game, these like confettis come out of it, and it's really cool. This slime is ultra glossy, ultra thick. The texture is just amazing. If you really like thick glossy slimes, I totally recommend this one. Also, you can get this slime scented or unscented. It smells like marshmallows and it is so good. This slime is called Pop Rocks. I think you can guess why. It has a clear base, and you can choose whatever color you want. The small foam beads make the ultimate crunch, and there's no bead fallout. This is Rainbow Sherbet. It's a cloud slime, and it's one of my best sellers. Like, everybody just loves it. It's available in 4 ounce, 6 ounce, and 8 ounce. This is the 8 ounce one, by the way. So this one comes pink, orange, and yellow, and you get to mix it with these rainbow sprinkles on top. If you really like drizzly cloud slimes, or like you want one, this is definitely a drizzly cloud slime. Like, all of my cloud slimes can drizzle. As you can see, it fluffs up pretty quickly, and once you get it like all mixed together, it just keeps drizzling, it just keeps going. This slime is called Pink Sugar Wafer Princess. It's a pink glossy slime with rainbow sprinkles, and it has these sugar wafers on top. If you guys want like sugar wafers for your slimes, like I'm actually selling those too on my Etsy. They're a lot of fun, and I think that they make slimes so cute. Like, I have another slime listed. I didn't get to show all of them in this video, but I have another slime listed, and it's called Mickey's Rainbow Cake Bites, where I made the sugar wafer cubes actually like smaller than that, and the texture is just amazing. Okay, back to this slime. Next up is Cherry on Top. This is a clear slime with gold glitters, like a lot of gold glitters. And it has these pink pom-poms, which really remind me of cherries. This slime is so much fun to just like squish. Pom-pom slimes are just awesome. You guys have to try them. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, check out our Etsy because there's a lot of slimes that I didn't get to fit in this video. I just have so many listed, you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.